What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now hold up, we did an unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue, but in today's video I have the iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 gigs in Graphite. I kind of wish there was a matte black, but oh well, I guess we shouldn't really follow the rumors or kind of believe in those rumors 100% because we do get let down. But before I do begin, I'd really appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube algorithm and will help push my content out to more people. And also, just as a heads up, right up here is the iPhone 12 mini and right over here is the iPhone SE. And it just goes to show that if you have an iPhone, pick up your phone and start recording. The best camera you have is the one in your pocket. So if you're looking to make YouTube videos or, I don't know, TikTok videos, whatever it may be, go right ahead. It's never too late to start recording. And also, huge shout out to a close friend of mine who was able to let me unbox his iPhone 13 Pro Max. Anyway, let's dive right in. Okay, so we're going to actually need some pretty good silence. Now, Apple did get rid of the plastic covering on their new iPhone 13 models. So they have this flap right here, and let's just listen to it and see how satisfying it really is. That wasn't really loud. Anyway, let's listen to this one. There we go. All right. Here's the big reveal, and here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Graphite. It is not matte black. Imagine a matte black iPhone 13 Pro Max. How cool would that be? And just in a second, I'm going to kind of compare the color with the Sierra Blue. Here it is. I'm going to peel this off in just a second. And in the box, every box is really the same. We're getting Lightning to USB-C. We are not getting the wall adapter, and we're also getting some paperwork here designed by Apple in California, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, and as well as one Apple sticker. I wish it was color-coded to the iPhone that you would pick up, but unfortunately it's not. Maybe next year. Don't get your hopes up though. Anyway, let's put this box aside and let's peel this off the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So satisfying. Just so satisfying. I love it. But here is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and let's take a look quickly at the colors. Now, I don't want to get any smudges on the screen. Then again, I'm going to put on a screen protector after this video. But look at the colors. Sierra Blue is a light blue color. Now, remember from the iPhone 12 Pro Max, we had Pacific Blue, which was a darker blue, and this year they went with a lighter blue, like a sky blue. I actually really do dig it. I kind of wish I did have the gold and silver to compare as well. But for those of you who are looking for something really minimal and you can't go wrong with, then Graphite is really the color. Like someone who doesn't like trying out different colors, someone who wants to have their iPhone matching with really everything and anything they wear, then this Graphite is probably the most neutral color to choose. And honestly, it's a super dark gray color. Let's put it that way. It is stainless steel like all iPhone 13 Pros. And you can tell that the camera cutout right here inside the camera lens, it's like a darker black to it. But right here, the matte finish, which is also made out of glass, is a kind of darker gray color to it. So just let's take one last look at the color with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There we go. Everything is really the same phone, just different color. Now, I also do want to try two different cases and see how they look. So here is the clear case from ESR, and I will be linking their cases down in the description below if anyone wants to pick them up. And I have a separate video of an unboxing of those. But here is that in the clear case with the graphite color. That looks pretty clean. Not gonna lie, I actually do dig it. It's not bad. I actually like how it looks better on this color than it does on the Sierra Blue. So for anyone who's interested in getting a clear case, this is most likely is what's going to look like. Obviously, if you pick up this ESR case, this is exactly what's going to look like. But let's put on a second case. So let's take off this case right here and let's put on the Pitaka Air case. This I really do like. This is a super thin, it has like this carbon fiber texture to it, and it's really precise. Like you put it on and it's like as if you don't feel the case on your device. Okay, so we're getting this, camera ring around here. So if you do tend to drop the phone often, it is kind of going to protect the camera lenses because it has a huge camera array and camera setup than of the 12 Pro Max. It's much larger lenses. And like I said, it's really precise and super thin. That's why it's called the Pitaka Air case. And I'll also leave a link of this case in the description down below. But it really does go great with black on black. Let's kind of put on that, a graphite on a carbon fiber black case. That is pretty sleek and pretty elegant if you ask me. Look how precise the cutouts are for the volume buttons, for the lightning connector and the speakers, as well as the power button. This is super clean. This is super clean. So just a quick comparison of the iPhone 13 Pro Max in Graphite to Sierra Blue. These are two colors. A lot of people are looking at the Sierra Blue because it is the newer color, and the default ones are Graphite, Silver, and Gold. So if you're kind of eyeing on which one to pick up, well, here is a visual comparison of the two. But I hope you guys did enjoy this quick unboxing and comparison of the colors. Like I said, if you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it does help out the channel a lot and will help push my content out to more people. And also, thank you all for making my dream become a reality. It really does mean a lot. Thank you all, each and every one of you, for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to Superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, Superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.